Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable little heart friends that can be personalized if you wish on the back for giving away as Valentines. I'm all set up, so let's get started. I've already made a pink and a red tinsel, so I decided to make next a silver with lavender legs. So for starters, we're going to start with our little heart-shaped plastic canvas, and we're going to be weaving these stems in and out of this canvas. I'm going to start on the top row, and you want to leave a little bit bent over like that, just to secure it in place. And we're just going to be weaving it in and out. We're going to bring the next one down, and you're just going to want to make sure your tinsel stems don't get all bent as you're weaving. So that is going to go down there. The next one. And we're going to leave the border for last, so we're just working on the inside holes of the canvas right now. We'll bring this one up here, and as you can see, if you're just aware of not kinking or bending the wire as you go, it's very easy for children. It's a great children's project. Bring it back down, make sure it's not going to kink. And then we're just going to go down to the next row and bring it up through that first hole. You want to make sure you're pulling that. That's a little kinked, so we want to make sure there's no kink in it. And we'll bring it down through this. And then we're just going to want to make sure our rows are close together as we're working this. Very simple. Back up through there. Back down at the end of that row. And now we're just going to be able to go straight across because we have no more separations from the top of the heart. There, when we get to the point where we're not going to have enough to go across, we're just going to put a bend in it. And when we're all done, we're going to go through and trim those ends. I'm going to grab another one. We'll start with the next row. Now that we have that all woven back and forth through the middle of our heart and around the edge, I'm going to take scissors, or you can use wire cutters if you have them, but scissors work, and I'm just going to trim these stems. It's woven tightly enough that you can do this and it's not going to come undone. Any loose, sharp stems, we're just going to cut flush with the back of the canvas. You know, I haven't tested this with kids' scissors, but it might work. They might need your assistance for this one little part. Next, we're going to make arms and legs, and I thought it would be fun to use this lavender. So we're just going to poke, figure out where we want our arms. Let's say right about here. And come back through the same spot on the other side. One more over maybe. Pull those through. Next, we'll do the same with legs. And we will, let's see, we're gonna go, let's do here. It's no right or wrong, wherever you want them. Just make sure they're symmetrical. I think that is not symmetrical. Next, we're going to trim those. Make sure it's nice and flush on the back side. Trim the hands so they're about the same size. And then we'll do the same with the legs. And next, I'm going to put a back. And to do that, I'm going to use this self-adhesive felt. I'm just going to trim around, or I'm just going to trace around a heart shape. And cut that out. I'm going to take the adhesive backing off my felt. Onto the back. So we have a nice finished back. And if you wanted to personalize your heart, give it to someone as a Valentine, you can always take a marker and write on the back of this felt. Next, we're going to add a couple of eyes, and these are sticky back assorted wiggle eyes. So I'm just going to take a little of our E6000. These eyes aren't going to go anywhere once these dry. Next, you can arrange your hands, your arms and hands, and any way you want. Make them longer or shorter. And there you go. They're friends. The three friends are going to hang out and play. If you make your own heart friends, we'd love to see them. You can share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. See you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.